Here's what your average workday actually looks like. You open your laptop, and within the first hour, you've already got 6 browser tabs open, 3 unread Slack threads, a spreadsheet someone sent you that needs a summary for your boss, a presentation that has to be done by noon, and a research brief that's been sitting in your drafts since Tuesday. You're not doing deep work. You're doing coordination work, admin work, the kind of work that fills your calendar but doesn't move anything important forward. What if all of that, the spreadsheet summary, the presentation, the research brief, the file organizing, what if your AI actually just did it, not helped you write it, not suggested bullet points, actually did it and handed you the finished file? That's WorkBuddy, and it just launched globally. Let me show you what it actually does. Go to codebuddy.ai/home and download the desktop app. WorkBuddy runs directly on your computer, not inside a browser tab. Once it's installed and you're logged in, you'll see a clean interface with a chat input and a task view. New users get free credits to start, no card needed. This is worth doing right now because what I'm about to show you is going to change how you think about your workday. Let's start with the most common pain point, reports and research briefs. Type into WorkBuddy. Research the top 5 trends in AI productivity tools for 2026 and create a professional report with an executive summary, key findings, and a recommendation section. Export it as a Word document. Hit Enter. This is the part where most AI tools would paste a wall of text into the chat. WorkBuddy doesn't do that. It reads the task, breaks it into steps, research, structure, write, format, export, and then executes each one. It's calling tools, pulling information, building the document, and when it's done, a finished Word file lands in your output folder. Not a draft, not a paste job, a formatted, ready-to-hand-over report. Now let's look at something a bit more visual. Say you need a presentation for a Monday stand-up. Type, create a 5-slide PowerPoint presentation summarizing the state of AI in marketing for 2026. Include data points, clear headlines, and a professional layout. WorkBuddy plans the slides, writes the content, formats the layout, and delivers a PPTX file. The kind of deck that would take a junior employee 2 hours to put together, done in a few minutes in the background while you're doing something else. Here's the workflow shift that matters most. WorkBuddy is running tasks in parallel using multiple AI agents simultaneously. If you've got a presentation due, and a research brief due, and a spreadsheet to analyze all at once, you don't have to queue them. You can kick all 3 off at the same time and walk away. This is what multi-agent parallelism looks like in practice. It's not a feature, it's a completely different model for how work gets done. Let me show you something that genuinely surprised me. Click on Connectors in the sidebar. WorkBuddy connects to the tools you're already using: Google Drive, Gmail, Notion, Slack, GitHub, Jira, Confluence, and more. Once you connect Google Drive, type this. Go into My Drive, find the Q2 marketing report, pull the key metrics, and generate a 1-page executive summary I can share with the leadership team. WorkBuddy goes into your Drive, reads the file, extracts the data, writes the summary, and brings it back. No switching tabs. No copy-pasting, no context lost between tools. That integration means WorkBuddy isn't sitting in a silo. It's embedded in your actual workflow. The files you work with, the tools your team uses, the communications you're managing, all of it is accessible from one place. Now let me show you the remote control feature, because this one changes the game for anyone who's ever been stuck in a meeting wishing something could just handle itself. WorkBuddy connects to Slack, Telegram, Discord, and WeChat. You can send it a task from your phone while you're away from your desk. Type into Slack, "Can you pull yesterday's website analytics from our Notion doc and put together a quick performance snapshot?" WorkBuddy sees it, runs the task on your desktop, and sends the finished file back through the same Slack channel. Your laptop did the work while you were in a meeting across the building. This is what the brief means when it says WorkBuddy is built for everyday office professionals. It's not a developer tool. It's not a coding assistant. It's for the people who spend their days in documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and Slack threads, and who are exhausted by how much of that work is just moving information from one format to another. Open the skills gallery from the left sidebar. This is one of my favorite parts of the product. You'll see pre-built, ready-to-use skill modules covering the most common productivity scenarios: competitive analysis, content creation, data summarization, meeting prep, financial reporting. You don't need to build a prompt. You don't need to engineer anything. You click the skill, fill in the relevant details, and the agent runs the workflow. Over 100 built-in expert roles covering marketing, engineering, finance, and more. For complex tasks that need multiple types of expertise at once, WorkBuddy can run expert teams, multiple sub-agents working in parallel, one researching, one writing, one formatting, all coordinated automatically. One thing worth knowing for anyone handling sensitive files: WorkBuddy runs tasks in a secure sandbox by default. It's isolated from the rest of your system, and access to local folders requires your explicit permission. For anyone dealing with HR documents, financial data, or anything confidential, that architecture matters. The honest pitch for WorkBuddy is this: most AI tools give you a smarter keyboard. WorkBuddy gives you a capable colleague, one that reads your files, executes your tasks, connects to your tools, takes requests over Slack, and comes back with finished work. Not suggestions, not drafts, done. Head to codebuddy.ai/home, download the app, and start with the free credits. Try the research brief, try the presentation, connect it to a tool you already use, and give it a real task. Then tell me in the comments what it handled for you, because I want to know what hour of your week it just gave back. Link is in the description. Let's get some time back.